Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the newsprint and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. On December 15th, Israeli forces mistakenly shot and killed 3 hostages during their combat in Gaza. Israel concluded its investigation on Thursday, stating that the military misunderstood the hostages' cries for help, believing it to be a tactic by Hamas militants to lure them into an ambush. The investigation stated that the soldiers acted according to their understanding of the situation, and Army Chief General Herzi Halevi stressed the importance of following standard operating procedures. However, he also said that the army failed in its mission to rescue the hostages in this event. About 250 people were taken as hostages during October 7 Hamas attacks in Israel, which killed over 1,200 people. Pakistan's caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haqqar has announced a ban on New Year celebrations in the country as a symbolic gesture of solidarity with the people of Gaza. In a national address, Kakkar called for unity in supporting Palestinians and encouraged a subdued and humble approach to the New Year festivities. The decision comes amid widespread concern across the world over the killing of over 21,000 Palestinians, mostly women and children, since the beginning of war in Gaza. He also emphasized the collective anguish over the tragic events in Gaza and the West Bank. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar reassumes the Janata Dal United presidency, succeeding Lalan Singh following days of speculation and reported rifts within the party. Singh, who cited his 2024 national polls candidature, requested Kumar to take over. The move is seen as strategic ahead of seat-sharing negotiations with the Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance and ally Rashtriya Janata Dal for the upcoming national elections. A 9-year-old girl named Manasa was discovered dead in a Bengaluru apartment complex swimming pool under mysterious circumstances. Residents suggest she may have fallen after touching a live wire near the pool, but the cause of death, whether drowning or electrocution, awaits confirmation through a post-mortem examination. The girl's father suspects accidental drowning. Protests ensued among apartment residents, demanding justice and a thorough police investigation to uncover the truth behind the tragic incident. A 48-year-old real estate agent, T. Anil Kumar, died when the multi-utility vehicle he was driving caught fire near Jindal on the Bengaluru-Tumkuru road. Despite attempts to escape, the victim got trapped due to the car's central locking system jamming. The vehicle turned into a ball of fire within seconds, burning Kumar beyond recognition. The cause of the fire in the hybrid car is under investigation, and authorities are in contact with the car manufacturer. Eyewitnesses recount the tragic incident captured in a widely shared video on social media. Mahindra and Mahindra disclosed in a regulatory filing that it has been fined of 4.12 crore rupees for issues related to input tax credit claims and the carry forward of education cess credit balance from the pre-GST era to the GST era concerning its two-wheeler business. Mahindra Two-Wheelers Limited was separated from MTWL and subsequently merged with the company. The penalty is attributed to the fact that the invoices used for claiming input tax credit by MTWL were not reported by vendors in GST returns, and as a result, they do not appear in the auto-populated GSTR2A. Additionally, the carry forward of the education cess credit balance from the pre-GST regime to the GST regime was disallowed. Mahindra and Mahindra stated that it plans to appeal the decision, expressing optimism about a favorable outcome at the appellate level. The company does not anticipate a significant financial impact from the order. LOreal heiress Francoise Bettencourt Meyers became the first woman to accumulate a fortune exceeding $100 billion, marking a significant achievement for both her and France's thriving fashion and cosmetics sector. As of Thursday, her wealth reached $100.1 billion, as reported by the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. This milestone coincided with a record high in the shares of L'Oreal SA, the cosmetics empire founded by her grandfather, making it the company's best performing year since 1998. At 70 years old, Meyers holds the position of vice chairperson on the company's board and, along with her family, remains the largest single shareholder with approximately 35% ownership. Currently ranked as the 12th richest person globally, she is closely trailing behind Mexico's Carlos Slim. India faced its most significant defeat in South Africa during the first test at Centurion, resulting in a fine of 10% of their match fees and a deduction of 2 crucial points in the World Test Championship. Captain Captain Rohit Sharma admitted guilt to the offence, accepting the proposed sanction and eliminating the need for a formal hearing as confirmed by the ICC. According to Article 2.22 of the ICC Code of Conduct for Players and Player Support Personnel, about minimum overrate violations, players incur a penalty of 5% of their match fee for each over the team fails to bowl within the specified time. Later, Avesh Khan, the right-arm fast bowler, was designated as a replacement for Mohammad Shami, who was excluded from the two tests due to injury. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO and owner of X, has been criticized by New Republic as the 2023 Scoundrel of the Year. The scathing article accuses Musk of transforming X into a platform teetering on collapse, welcoming back controversial figures, and spreading misinformation. Musk's endorsement of divisive statements, including one related to Jews, has fueled condemnation. The website labels Musk as deeply hateful for steering X towards promoting bigotry and trolls, undermining the platform's original purpose. Well, these were the major headlines of the day. Like, comment, and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.